English na. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and hit the big thumbs up. So today, we're gonna go role play. We're gonna role play today. Say hi, Nash. Pina, kaya ko! Nash, say hi. Say hi. Maxine, say hi.
Hi!
Okay, Nash, this is my room. Dun kayo sa dalawang kama.
May kumain lang ako.
Girl, over here. Oh no, that's the bathroom. Over here. Okay. Wait, let me roommate. Mas maganda pa nga yung ano nyo eh. May hot... Ay! Mali! Wait lang. Punta ko dun ulit. Go to house number 12 ulit. Ang dami na ko. Oh my God! Wala, huwag ka din malikot.
Mag-roommate ka na?
Ang likot mo kasi sa akin. Huwag ka malikot eh. Wow, gumalaw. Paulit gumalaw. Roommate ka na? There. Roommate ka na! Maxine, huwag ka magalaw. Huwag ka gumalaw. Huwag ka gumalaw, Maxine! Nandito ko sa loob!
Kapapasok ka mag-BBS ako.
Okay, guys. Let's go start. I'm the mother. Maxine's the baby. And Nash is the sister. Which is oldest. The oldest sibling. Okay. Let's start. Nash! Let's start. Please, Maxine, ikaw yung baby! Maxine, ikaw yung baby! Ikaw yung baby! Ang tangkad ni Maxine, sabi ko siya yung baby ah. Maxine, ikaw yung baby! Okay, guys. Maxine, doon ka na, kay Nash. Okay. La 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 la. Hindi, ano yun? Let's make lunch.
Hindi naman.
Oo nga eh. Okay lang.
Dugo.
Where is the houses? It's the cars. There. Kid! Kid! What do you... Oh my God! What do you want
Chicken.
for lunch?
Chicken.
Okay. Maxine! No! No, Maxine. Maxine! Anuhin mo! Delete mo muna! Maxine! Delete mo! Ako na maglalagay. Okay? That's yours now. That's
Asa yung chicken mo?
yours. And my kid. No. Hot dogs.
Wala yung baby care.
Mom! What?
Ba't andit?
Let's go eat.
I'm done.
Already?
Done.
Okay.
I'm done. It's night now, Mom.
No, it isn't. Okay, guys. Let's go to sleep now. Go brush your teeth. Nash,
Master bedroom niya na.
go brush your teeth. Okay. I think that's done.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, kids. Where are you now? There's still not you. Nash! Go to sleep, please. You have school tomorrow. Maxine, where are you? Maxine, go to sleep. Kasama si Nash. Go with Nash. Hey, sleep now, Nash. Ah. Yeah, there. Where's Maxine? Late ka kasi kaya di siya kita eh. Maxine, nasan ka? Where's Maxine? Oh, go to sleep now, Maxine. Good night, my babies. Go to sleep. Uwi. Kids! You're always... Maxine, tawag ka ni Daddy. Okay, yo. Let's go to sleep. Okay, look. Oo, umutot-tot talaga.
Yung laptop ko nasa tae ko.
Uy! Hindi ko lang sisleep. Tinan mo, wala kayong school bukas. Bili na! Go to sleep now!
14, tignan mo kami. That's talking. Privacy.
Nash!
Privacy with your children.
I'm gonna sit down here if you don't go to sleep. Nash, bili na. Tutulog na talaga. Bawal na tumayo ah. Okay, let me close the lights in the living room. Okay.
Hindi mo na ako.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock, Nash.
Don't come in.
Knock, knock.
What?
Come in. Nash, can I come in?
Hindi! Mom, it's nice. I have school.
I just wanted to remind you, did you pack all your things for the first day of class?
Hindi.
Okay, go pack it.
Wala si Maxine! Ay. Alit niya.
Go pack it.
Nalulunod eh. Nalulunod.
Okay, ay Nash, only Tagalog. I only English.
Tinig na ako.
Are you guys finished packing?
tulog.
Si Pocho, lalabas na naman oh. Nash, lalabas si Pocho. Good night. Oh,
Ay, sino na bukas ang ilaw?
wala. Apa kasi na? Okay guys, let's go to sleep. So sleepy. Maxine! Guys! Are you guys sleeping? Is she sleeping?
Wow!
Oh, she is.
so hoping.
May diaper ka naman. Okay. Let's sleep. Oh my god, you see it. Brother.
Mom, and you
Guys, go to sleep. Okay, I'll read the story. Which one?
There was a red one, Mom.
Pinakihirapan mo ako. Red pa talaga ah. Tignan mo, kulay black yung pipili ko.
Sabi tayo. Nandun tayo ko kumailon.
Guys, I'm already here. Okay, guys. What's up for the time? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, guys.
Ikaw nung gano'n.
Oh, baby! Okay, guys. Sorry, okay. Let's go to sleep now. Oh my gosh. We have to wake up at 6. Okay. Chicken.
Chicken ka na. Ako din. Chicken.
Okay. Let's go to sleep.
Ayaw ko mag-whistle! Kaya ko mag-whistle. Alam niyo? Kaya ko mag-whistle. Ano? Ako din mag-sing.
Where's my phone? Okay, let me grab my phone downstairs. Pero huwag niya lang din. Kinakain yun eh. There. OMG.
Wala ka na bigyan. Say, na.
Ito. Pogi, bitaw. Kids.
Mom, my sisters are sleeping.
Kids.
Ikaw nga din, mas mawag.
Nash. Nash. Maxine, wake up.
Bay, 1, 2 a.m. ka na.
Your teacher called me and said there's no school tomorrow. Do you guys want to have a girl night?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, if you don't, go to sleep.
I want mom.
Okay guys, you can stay up.
Go.
I'm just gonna buy some popcorn.
Kasi maglipat ka habang natutulog.
Okay. I'm feeling like this. Now. This one. Roblox to Roblox. Okay guys, let's go buy stuff. I'm gonna surprise them with a cat. Let's go. I'm gonna buy popcorn.
May boyfriend daw sila.
Okay.
Ikaw. Yan lang sa gilid.
There.
Mom, my sister didn't do me.
Hoy, nabili nga akong popcorn eh.
Mga pinapanood yan kanina. Abay, sumbong yun. Ate, si Maxine na bata pa lang siya nagkikiss. Ate. Roblox. Nanonood ako na Roblox. Roblox.
Let's pick this
Hindi, sa game lang.
or this. Let's pick. I can't choose what flavor. I'm just kidding.
Kahit anong flavor mo smash. Cute.
I'm picking this. Wala! 5 na nga eh. Eh, di sinabi ko na sa inyo. Kids! I have a surprise for you guys. Lindsay, ano name mo? Ano name mo? Stacy, stop cleaning. Okay, guys. So, come up here. This is your room, right? This is your guys' surprise. Wait. Here, Lindsay, you get your own phone. There, I give it to you. There. So do you. What? May cellphone na agad. Kids, it's time for breakfast. Kids, kids. Ano mo?
Mom, Maxine is getting my phone.
There and there. Go eat your food.
I get your phone. I get your phone. Mom!
Hey! Sino ang Maxi? Baban kita. Okay, kids, come on. Remember how I told you it's movie night?
Mom will buy you an iPad.
Yes, Lindsay, I will buy you. Yes. Ano name ni Maxine? Ni Maxine.
Stacy, guys.
Si Maxine, si Stacy.
Bukas natin.
Okay, guys.
Maddie na lang ako. Maddie.
Mad, Maddie. Maddie,
Yeah.
go sit down. Oh, in there. In the couch. We're gonna have something. I'm just gonna block this so there's no light.
Wait lang. Hindi ko na ako.
Okay. Lindsay. Madison, Lindsay.
Wait lang, nalalayo ako.
Uy, kwarto ko nga yan eh. Meron. Lindsay,
Wait.
go take Madison. Maddie, go take Lindsay with you in here. Stacy, go take a bath with your sister. You want to be grounded? Oh.
Wait, Puchi, what happened?
Baka makain niya yung headphone. Bukas yan. Okay. Guys, so I'm gonna cover this.
Kasama ko friends ko. Ate, nakita ko niya.
Sin,
Maxine! Maxine! Maxine, tawag ka nila kami! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na tayo kayo para hindi na tayo ng food.
nahihirapan si Kuya.
Okay, let's just...
Wala ko yan.
Finish pa!
Okay, guys.
Hindi na lang ako ng buhay.
Lindsay, go! Lindsay, go use your computer. Go! No! Pangalan mo si Madison ah. Si Maxine, si ano, Lindsay. Hindi na siya si Stacy pala. Yeah? What do you mean? Sure. Just be home at 10:30. Go! Just be home at 10:40.
10:30 na!
At 10:40.
Bilis kaya.
Maxine, diyan ka lang ah.
Malunok ka ba drive na?
Lindsay!
Sundan ako ni Maxine!
Maxine, no.
Safe pala.
Lindsay!
Hala! Pumapasok. Nasyo. Ate, oh. Stay here. Stay safe. Pag di ka umuwi, di ka pa pauwi na namin. Magkatay na hair.
No, Maxine, don't dye your hair. You're still bata. Your hair's gonna be ruined.
Kaya ulit ako yung cellphone mo. Di pa tapos yung 30 minutes. Ay, no.
Okay. Chicken nga eh.
Hindi na kami chicken.
Chicken ng ano?
Nag-chicken. Chicken? Wala pa. Ilang percent? Walang yan. Ah! No!
Mamaya, magtitid na ako kape.
Okay, let's restart, guys.
May Roblox ako doon kay Tita Ganda ah. Nandun yung account. Ano mo alam na? Oo, nga pala. Yan. Sorry, maksinula ko.
Okay, y'all.
Ay, bahay ka.
We're gonna have...
Here, ma'am.
Maxine, doon ka lang muna. Doon ka sa taas. Go. Go sa taas. Maxine, go sa taas. Nash, mamaya ka pa daw uuwi.
Alam na nga eh.
Mga 2 tomorrow.
Oh! Tomorrow.
No, mag-grounded ka na talaga. So, mag-grounded?
Sumunta po ko sa ground. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So,
Ano yan?
y'all. I'm gonna set this up
Hey!
for my daughters.
Mom! I left back.
Okay. Good.
Mom, I got
Oh my gosh. It's okay. Maxine, doon ka lang sa taas.
Asa taas pa ako?
Okay, bawal bumaba ha. Okay guys, I'm gonna set this up for my daughters. I have...
Ah!
What?
Can I bat?
You already took a bath. Maxine, doon lang nga sa taas eh.
I go. Yeah.
Okay, just...
That's my friend.
What's this? No.
Ah.
What? Oh, let's set this up.
What's my...
Lindsay, just go upstairs. My phone is upstairs. Maxine, wag ka bumaba kasi.
Asa ka phone mo?
Andyan lang yun.
Saan?
Ito oh. Di ba dito? Asan ka ba? Here.
Mom?
Hello?
Mom, some guy following me.
Sorry, pause. Hurry up home!
Di pa naman nakitapos eh.
Nas, bilisan mo na. Ano na? Tignan mo, gulo na yung surprise. Lindsay? Ring ring! Maddie? Maxine, doon ka lang sa taas. Bawal bumaba. Lindsay? Ay, ano? Maddie! Ring ring! Where are you?
I'm in the car.
Si ano nga? Nasa na? Okay, Lindsay. I mean, Maddie. Close your eyes. Nash, close your eyes talaga. Accept mo muna yung ano ko, request. Okay, close your eyes na. Maxine, come over here. There. Pogi, pasok.
Ikaw, Pogi. Ba't di
Surprise!
Wow, this is
Di pumasok. Pogi, aat kita lang.
Ate, saan kayo galing?
Saan ka galing? There, guys.
Punta ka sa boyfriend mo, ay.
There's a sunset here. And there is this. Here. They're gonna be busy. Wait, Maddie? Let me see your hair. Wait, I thought you got extensions. Why do you have a new hair color? Are you sure right now? Maddie! Take care of the kids, okay? You're in charge. Bye. I'm just gonna go run some errands. Bye, Maddie. Hurry up. La 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 la. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get some new hair. I'm gonna color my hair too, so it can be matching. I'm jumping. Oops. We're here at the haircut.
Stacy, no, I'm sleeping.
Let's find some brown hair. Who's this new? This one?
Andre, come back.
I might get highlights.
Andre.
No. Oh, no. No.
Andre.
No. No.
Andre.
No. Brother!
It's in the star.
Never mind, guys.
I'm sleeping.
I'm gonna put a band-aid. No, it's in my eyes.
Doon ka na sa loob matulog.
Okay, guys. So, should I get these? Looks up.
Bam.
Okay. I listen to white sand cause I found my love with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You can be my lady, I can be a lady. Oh, you can be my baby, I can be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, guys.
Mom. Daddy, bigger over back.
Everyone, go to the house.
Hey, Stacy. Come here. Wait, just go there. Wait.
Lindsay,
Come.
guys,
Come.
stand here.